laminate or vinyl project isn't complete without this finishing touch: moldings. Whether you're transitioning between two rooms, different flooring types, or if you're framing a space, moldings are essential to creating a polished design. There are two types of moldings: pre-finished and unfinished. Pre-finished moldings make completing your project faster. They come pre-painted or stained in varying shades to complement your flooring choice. If you're looking to personalize your room with a custom molding color, choose unfinished. Unfinished moldings can be painted or stained to suit your aesthetic. The molding profile you choose is dependent upon what your project needs. Baby thresholds help to meet flooring with a vertical surface, where a transition to a different type of floor isn't needed. T-molds join two same height floors, whether it's different types of wood or other flooring materials. To create a flush transition from wood to another type of flooring, like tile or vinyl, choose a flush reducer. Base molding, commonly used in hardwood and laminate projects, is the board covering the bottom of your interior wall. It's installed in the joint where the wall and floor meet. Shoe molding is smaller than base molding. It conceals cut lines on tile and stone installation when there is no need to cover expansion gaps. Casing molding creates the frame for a doorway or window. It's essential to finish your project with the right installation materials, including the correct type of molding. Visit your Floor & Decor to speak with an expert or browse our selection on flooranddecor.com.